Welcome to our guide on using online security tools. Today, we'll explore why these tools are essential for protecting your digital life. First, let's identify some of the common online threats: malware, phishing, and data breaches. Understanding these threats is crucial. Next, we'll discuss how to choose the right security tools such as antivirus software, VPNs, and firewalls to safeguard your online activities. Now, let's go through the step-by-step installation and configuration of antivirus software to ensure your system is protected. To enhance your online privacy, we'll explore how to use a VPN and secure your internet connection from prying eyes. Password security is critical. I'll show you tools for managing your passwords to ensure they remain strong and secure. Adding an extra layer of security is easy with two-factor authentication. Let's see how it can protect your accounts. Remember, keeping your tools and software up to date is crucial. Regular security updates help protect against new threats. Conducting security audits can help you assess your online protection measures and ensure they are effective.